Okay, so here we are at Palmer Racetrack again. So this time we're going to test the 993. So this man's going to kindly help us again. So hello there.
Hello there.
So this time the red line on this car is 6,800. So what are we trying to achieve here?
We're looking for 2/3 of the maximum achievable RPM, so we're looking just below 4.5, 4,400, 4,300.
Right, okay.
So that's going to be down to you and your throttle control to give me that
Okay.
RPM, and I'll get a reading from
Right.
both exhausts.
You can do both exhausts?
I'll do both.
Right, okay. Right, let's try that then. Let's try and get to 4.5. 4,400. Okay, how do we do?
99.7.
99.7. So these cars are quite good, aren't they? I mean, this is
Not too bad. That would certainly be allowed to head out on circuit, and then it would be the static monitors around the circuit that would take readings throughout the day.
okay. Okay, and in your experience, how do you think we would fare then?
I think you'd be fine.
Right. Okay.
1.5 dB thereabouts.
Right,
Margin,
okay.
So I think you'd be fine on circuit.
Because those circuit sensors, they're 20 metres away from the cars, aren't they?
So to keep beneath 87.5 decibels at that 20 metre distance.
Right. Okay. Great. All right. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Right. Perfect.